It's my last day being 17, and when I wake up tomorrow morning, I will finally be an adult. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and here's to 18. Good night. So, it was the morning of my birthday. This was actually taken at like 5:30 in the morning. I woke up very early and this was what I was greeted with. Isn't it so pretty? I really liked all of the decorations that my mum and my sister spent ages doing. This is just a sneak peek at what I got, including my main present, but you have to stay around till the end if you want to see everything that I got. Unfortunately, it was a weekday, it was a Monday, so I had to get on the bus and go to school. I didn't have the luxury of having a day off. Now, my school has a lot of stairs, so it took me a long time to actually walk up the stairs. I did have some cake for breakfast. My friend was actually so cute. She brought in cupcakes and stuff, which was really, really nice. So we had a really healthy birthday break. After school, it was time to go home and get ready for my birthday party. This isn't my actual party. It was just a cake cutting, basically, just inviting some of our closest family friends. It was quite a nice little celebration. This is like a little ASMR thing coming up. Very satisfying. This was my outfit. After careful selection, I managed to find something that I quite liked but was also cozy and comfortable, and I can't forget my birthday sash. Please excuse my appearance. I have been flat out revising all day for my exams, which literally start in 1 week. So looking a bit rough, but I thought I would show you what I got for my birthday. So first of all, my main present. I have wanted this for nearly 2.5 years, and I'm so grateful that I finally own one. I got a MacBook. First of all, I really like my cover. It's quite protective and I just like the design of it. This is the case that I got. I'm not brave enough to just use a laptop like that. I do like a case. And then I covered it with the stickers it comes with so that my actual Apple logo stays safe. Now, I got the gold one. I really wanted a different color because my dad has the exact same laptop but in space gray. I'm so grateful to my mom and dad that this was like my main present because I know I'm going to get good use out of it and they last like an incredibly long time. This video is actually going to be the first video that I've edited using my new laptop. So hopefully I can be much more consistent. Now I don't have to use my mom's laptop to edit. My sister got me this really cute AirPods case because mine was kind of looking a bit like worn out and this one's just a lot more stylish. It looks nicer. My school, after being in the school for like 7 years, they're finally letting us wear coats and scarves because it's absolutely freezing. So my mum got me a scarf. I really like the design and it does go quite nicely with my uniform, so I like that. If you've watched my videos for a long time, you would know that I really like earrings, so I got this pair. They're really pretty. And then I've also got a set of rings. The thing is though, for my fingers, it sounds so weird, but like sometimes my fingers, like rings can either be too big or too small. So most of these do fit my ring finger, and then some of them I'm going to have to wear either on my pinky or my middle finger because not all of them are going to fit. But I still really like them and they're so pretty. All of them are really cute. Okay, I'm so excited for this present. Now, I love Lush. I live in Derry and Lush is in Belfast, so I was really excited when I saw this. I got Snow Fairy from Lush. You can see a lot of the glitters like deposited here. I've got like, I think more or less the full set. I've got the shower gel, which I've never tried. I have used this. This is the body conditioner and it looks so pretty inside. It's a really like vibrant neon pink, which is quite nice. I've got 2 of these, by the way, so it'll last me like a long time. And then I got 2, I think these are called bubble bars, so I've got 2 of the candy cane ones. And then I'm not really sure what this one is, but it still smells incredible and it's massive. Like, it's so big and it's really pretty. The only thing which is like a bit weird about this is that I don't actually have a bath in my bathroom. We got rid of our bathtub a few years ago because none of us used it. So I'm probably just going to use these whenever I want to do like a pedicure or a manicure. Or maybe if I go to a hotel which has a bathtub, I can then use these. And they all came wrapped in this, which is I think called a knot wrap, but it's really pretty, and I'm going to learn how to style this and use it as like a bag and stuff, so I'm really excited for that. So that was everything that my family got me for my birthday. I also got some jewelry from my cousin from Goldsmiths, and it's really pretty. It's like a silver pendant. It's really nice. One of my friends who lives a bit far from me, we're actually really close. I would consider her one of my best friends. She got me an Amazon gift card, which, thank you if you're watching this. And hopefully if she's able to come here like pretty soon after my mocks, then we can spend like the full day together, which is definitely something I'm looking forward to. I also got some jewelry from Swarovski. All of our like family friends, people who've seen me since I was like 4 or 5, they all pitched in to get me some jewelry, which I'm so happy to show you. I got a set of 3, so I got a bangle. It's beautiful, it's rose gold. I wore it on my birthday. I'm not sure how much the camera will pick it up, but it's so pretty and it fits really nicely as well. Then I got this set of earrings. So these are really nice. I actually did wear these on my birthday. And the best thing about them is that they're pretty easy to take off. Fun fact about I think when I was 7 or 8, I wore hooped earrings. They got stuck in my ears and I had to get them taken off when I went to India. So I literally did not change my earrings for like 2.5 to 3 years. So I'm kind of scared to wear hoops, but I'm really glad that these, you can pretty much take them on and off super easily. And then finally, I was gifted the matching pendant set. It's so nice. It's got all the Swarovski stones, and Swarovski is a really good company, so I know it will last a long time. So that was like the main gift from my family friends, but as well as that, I was just given like some chocolate, like a wash bag, smaller things as well alongside this. And then as well as that, my main birthday party is going to be in February. Unfortunately, because of my mocks and because of all of my friends having mocks as well, it's better for me to just do my party like 1 month after my birthday. I mean, why not? Because at least everyone will be able to enjoy it without the stress of school for like a few days. So yeah, I guess that's the end of this birthday video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all of the birthday wishes and the greetings and the blessings. Please stay safe, and I will see you next week for another video. Bye!
I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings if you're free.